This is an old farmhouse table that I found in the alley last month. The tabletop is knotty pine and it was a bit scratched up. The four legs are in desperate need of paint. It was missing these washers and nuts. Not a problem. Using 220 grit sandpaper, I scuffed up the surface on the tabletop and the four legs. This took about 15 minutes. Another 5 minutes to wipe down and clean the surfaces. 15 minutes to mount the four legs. Then I grabbed this 15-year-old green paint. It's at least 15 that I got from my Uncle Tony when he was still alive. It took 10 minutes to give the legs a coat of paint, 10 minutes to dry, then a second coat. Now I can finish the top with a heavy coat of polyurethane, 2 or 3 coats if you want. Let it dry. Now this looks amazing. In 90 minutes, the value went from 0 to at least $500. And that's how I do it on Alley Picked. Acrobots, stackable fun for humans. Is it a puzzle? Is it a toy? Is it a fidget toy? Yes! Are you ready for the Acrobot Challenge? The first thing you need to do is figure out how to get the 15 Acrobots out of their box. Push here, then slide out the wooden stick. How many robots can you stack? You can stack them shoulder to shoulder, right side up or upside down. You can stack them head to head, foot to shoulder, slot to head, foot to slot. You can even use the one robot with the vertical slot as the base to build. He has a copper top. Sure, he's different, but we love him anyway. You can also use the box as a base, right side up or upside down. The stackabilities are endless, and I don't even know if that's a word. You can play Acrobots solo or with a friend. Who can stack the most? Who can stack the fastest? You can even customize your order by putting your name on the front and back of the box. Bring it to work so you can stay busy during those boring meetings. There's no right or wrong way to stack them. The only requirement is fun. When you're done playing, the robots go back in the box for quick and easy cleanup, ready for the next adventure. Scan the bottom for these instructions or to purchase your own set of Acrobots.
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger!
No actual robots were harmed in the making of this video.